So in this video, I'm going to go over this portable little travel stand that is a multi-purpose stand that will hold a tablet or a laptop. I have a laptop right here and I have a tablet right here. I'm going to show y'all real quick on how this thing sets up because this is a really neat little item here. You know what? It's strong stability, aluminum alloy, silicone non-skid, compatible with many sizes, hollowed out heat design. And you see the actual set. Now it came in this little bag right here. It has a little drawstring bag. It's kind of cool that it has that. Now this also has a MagSafe on it. Just so you know, if your phone doesn't have a magnetic ring on it, you can add that. But my phone has a magnetic ring, so check this out. Look at that. Now it is not charging, but what it does, it just holds your phone in a nice convenient way like that. Check that out. I can hold it down flat. I can go all types of angles. If I want to go vertical, I can go vertical higher or lower, just like that. You guys see that? So if I want to do the vertical, or I can do a horizontal. So that's really neat that it actually does that feature there. But let me show you some more features of this, because there's some little hidden kind of legs in right here that pop out. Now what this does, this is going to give you some like stability to add a laptop. All you do is pull it up and you see how it kind of mounts right there. So we'll go on the number 3 on each one. Check that out. So once you pull these little feet up, now this would be so convenient. Say you were at like a coffee shop or something, you had your laptop. This is a large laptop too, a 17-inch, and look how well this is holding that laptop in place. That's impressive, and it holds it at a nice, good angle, so I could sit here and work just like this, tilt my screen up. So if I want to go even lower with it, just pull the little legs out a little bit. Now I have an adjustment just like that. That is a perfect size for a laptop. That's awesome. And now see the little anti-skid legs on it? So the anti-skid is keeping it from moving around. Has these little rubber feet on it right there. This is a very premium item. I've been very impressed with this. Now to set up a tablet, you really just go right back. We'll put our kind of laptop legs back down, pull these down like this once you get it set up. Because once it's set up, it's not going to move on you. I can just run it just like this. I could watch movies, work on my tablet, do whatever I need to do, or turn it vertical just like this. Say if you're doing like a Zoom call or you're sitting there, maybe doing some drawings or something like that. That's a very handy feature right there. Everybody, this is something I recommend for anybody that does any traveling, that might have to do some sort of remote work, and they need a nice convenient stand with them that you can pretty much fit in your pocket, fit down in a purse, a backpack, or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the multi-purpose, you know, aluminum laptop, cell phone, tablet stand. See you all in the next video.